Hello everybody, this is Jason Bird here with another installment of In Search of Magic. Now over the past couple of weeks I've gotten a number of emails asking me to show how many different ways you can arrange 52 cards in a deck of cards. How many unique ways can you shuffle a deck? Now, as you can imagine, this appealed to both my inner math nerd and magic geek at the same time. Oh, perfect. Now the answer to that question, even though I kind of knew the answer, I never actually sat down and worked the math out to figure it out. But it's this right here. Now, no, that is not me yelling the number 52 at you. That actually means 52 factorial. Now, 52 factorial means that you take 52 and multiply it by every whole integer going all the way down to 1. So 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48 and so on and so forth, all the way down to 1. And let me show you why we come up with that number. Now, in any given shuffle deck of playing cards, when you start with the very first card, there are 52 possible cards that card could be. 52 combinations, that's where we start with 52. Now, the second card that you add to that shuffle deck can only be one of 51 cards because one of them is already taken. So that's why you get 52 times 51. Now, you can probably already see the pattern here that if you add another card, it's times 50 combinations. This one can only be 49 combinations of cards, and so on and so forth, all the way down through the deck till you get to the last card, which can only be one card left. So 52 factorial is the answer. Now, when you write that number out in scientific notation, you get 8 times 10 to the 67th power. Now, it's kind of hard to conceptualize a number that big, so I'll give you some hints here. The number of cells in the human body is estimated to be about 100 trillion cells. That's a 1 followed by 14 zeros. Now, the number of stars in our galaxy is estimated to be 300 billion, which is a 3 followed by only 11 zeros. And the number of grains of sand on all of the beaches in the entire world is estimated to be about 7.5 times 10 to the 27th power. Again, that's a 7 followed by 27 zeros. Which means that when you shuffle a deck of cards, the amount of combinations that those cards can be in is more than 8 quintillion times the number of cells in your body, the number of sand on the beach, and the amount of stars in our galaxy combined. Which means that the next time you sit down to play cards and you shuffle that deck of cards, just look at it and know that there is actually a very high probability that that deck of cards has never been in that order before, or no deck of cards will ever be in that order again. Something to think about. Thanks for watching. See you next time.